What's up buddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tanay from Junior Programmer and today we'll create our own Wikipedia app using Python and that too in only 10 minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Like a Hellcat. Before starting the video, let me tell you that time intervals are given in the description if you want to skip any part of the video. So, in this program, we'll create a simple box with the help of tkinter, and when we'll type any question we want, it will give us a summarized answer. Basically, for creating a Wikipedia, we need to install two Python modules in command prompt named Wikipedia and tkinter, which will collect information from Google and will display our answer with the help of tkinter. So, we'll go to cmd and write pip install Wikipedia. It will take a few seconds, and here it shows that requirement is already satisfied as I have already installed it. And in the same way you have to write pip install tkinter. After installing modules, we will go to our Python bit and first we'll import our module from cmd, that is Wikipedia and tkinter. Leaving one line, we'll declare a function that is def on click, which will create a button when we click on it. And under this function, we'll create a variable called q. And inside it, write get q dot get. Next, we'll write text dot insert open brackets and write insert comma wikipedia dot summary, again one bracket with q and close bracket, which will summarize all the information and then will give to us. In next part, we'll create graphical box that is tkinter and write root equals to tk bracket. In next line, we'll write root.title and give title to our box, like I will give Wikipedia. Wikipedia in quotation marks and brackets. Next, we'll create a variable called question equals to label bracket open root comma text equals to question in quotation marks, which will print above our question box. Next, we'll create a question box where we can type a question with question dot pack and brackets. Again, we'll write get underscore q equals to entry bracket open root comma bd equals to 5 bracket close. After that, we'll close that with get underscore q dot pack and brackets. Next, we'll create search button and write submit equals to button bracket open root comma text equals to search in quotation marks, again comma command equals to on underscore click and close bracket, and again close it with submit dot pack brackets. Next, we'll create a variable called text equals to text and root in brackets, again as above close it with text dot pack and brackets. At last, we'll write root dot main loop, which will close a tkinter box and I will search for Ruskin bond. After clicking search button, it will give us a summarized information of Ruskin bond like this. So this is all for today, and if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe if you want to create a cool Python projects like this. So bye guys, see you in the next video.